Welcome to Spray Shack. Just want to give you a little bit more information about this product. So we sell this individually, and we also sell it as part of a kit. So this is the xBox One Kinect Sensor, which ghost hunters use for ghost hunting. So basically, it gives you the skeletal tracking figure, which you might have seen on many popular ghost hunting shows. So yeah, we sell this as part of a kit or individually. If you've got your own power cables and software, that's great. If not, we sell those individually as well. The software for it, and then obviously the power cable. So this will only work on a Windows device because it's made by Microsoft. So it'll work on a Windows tablet, a Windows phone, Windows laptop or Windows PC. So you'll need the Kinect, you'll need the software, which we sell on the USB stick separate if needed. And you'll also need the cables. So yeah, it actually has 3 connectors on this box. So one is your mains power, and then we have a connection here which your Kinect plugs into, and then the third connection is USB 3. It will actually work in the USB 2 slot as well. If your Windows device doesn't have the USB 2 slot, you can get generic adapters which convert from your USB 2 or 3 into micro USB or the USB-C. That should cover most tablets and laptops and computers and things. So like I say, this video is literally just for the Kinect sensor on its own. So if you need to purchase this, the link to it is in the description, and thanks for watching.